Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Gawfolk 27-inch 180Hz QHD Curved Gaming Monitor, a display that instantly upgrades your setup the moment you power it on. From gaming to everyday browsing, it delivers a smooth and immersive experience that's hard to go back from. The first thing you'll notice is the 180Hz refresh rate paired with a 1 millisecond response time. Fast-paced shooters feel incredibly fluid, motion stays sharp, and scrolling through content looks clean and responsive. The 2560 x 1440 QHD resolution hits that sweet spot between crisp detail and strong performance, giving you sharper visuals without overloading your system. Add in the deep curve, and it really pulls you into the action for a more engaging feel during long sessions. Color performance is another strong point. With 100% sRGB coverage, 16.7 million colors, and a 3000:1 contrast ratio, games and movies look vibrant and well-balanced. Even light creative work like photo editing looks surprisingly accurate right out of the box. You also get solid connectivity with dual HDMI and dual DisplayPort options, making it easy to switch between a PC and console. Eye care features like flicker-free technology and low blue light help reduce strain during extended use. Overall, the Gawfolk 2 7-inch curved monitor delivers smooth gameplay, immersive visuals, and great value in one sleek package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.